Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing emerges as a true performance powerhouse, combining exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the pinnacle of Cadillac's V-Series lineup, the CT4-V Blackwing exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering uncompromising driving dynamics and refined luxury. Powering the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing is a hand-built, supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing a staggering 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic transmission, the CT4-V Blackwing offers blistering acceleration and precise gear changes. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and advanced performance features like magnetic ride control and electronic limited-slip differential, the CT4-V Blackwing delivers exceptional agility and handling, making it a true joy to drive on both the road and the track. The CT4-V Blackwing's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Cadillac's magnetic ride control 4.0 adaptive suspension and performance-tuned chassis provide exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, while the sedan's lightweight construction and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to its nimble agility and responsive steering. The CT4-V Blackwing features high-performance Brembo brakes, offering confident stopping power and stability even under hard braking. Visually, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing exudes a commanding presence with its bold design and aggressive styling cues. Its exterior features a distinctive front grille with V-Series badging, sculpted aerodynamic elements, and quad exhaust tips. The CT4-V Blackwing rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the CT4-V Blackwing's appearance according to their preferences, adding a touch of personalization. Inside the cabin, the CT4-V Blackwing offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment, with a host of comfort and convenience features. The interior boasts sports seats with bolstered side support, premium leather upholstery, and carbon fiber trim accents. The CT4-V Blackwing is equipped with Cadillac's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Additionally, the CT4-V Blackwing offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, refined handling, and upscale amenities, the CT4-V Blackwing promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.